Welcome to the Skill Center at Spokane Valley Tech. Students in their junior and senior years can engage in our hands-on classes with innovative curriculum to acquire technical and professional skills in areas of demand that employers and colleges are looking for. Our students earn high school credits, gain significant experience in a variety of fields, and walk away with industry-recognized credentials. College credit is even available in most programs. With the variety of our offerings, there is something for everyone, including you, and all of our programs are free. Let's take a look inside and hear from our students about their experience at SVT.
My favorite part is probably like getting in our bunker gear and like doing races and just like working out in our stuff. It's kind of a challenge, but it's also really fun.
Fire science students will be introduced to the profession of the modern-day fire service, including introduction to structure fires, emergency medical response, and wildland fires. Students will work cooperatively as a team member, develop leadership skills, and gain the mental and physical abilities needed to fight fires while providing emergency medical care. Students will also learn basic building construction, fire suppression tactics, concepts of fire prevention, and the overall duties and responsibilities associated with civil service.
I was actually planning on going to college, and now I just really want to do firefighting and volunteer and just go to stations.
Students have the ability to earn college credits that can translate into a career with firefighting, emergency medical technician, or wildland firefighting. The vast array of skills associated with these classes will assist students in preparing them for placement in a related career field.
You learn a lot of things like new skills and stuff that firefighters do. You get to see just different things from a different perspective. I like to know like how they go into buildings when you can't see, just focusing on different senses instead of sight because you can't see in those buildings, and it's nice to know.
It basically shows you what it takes to be a firefighter. It can be very mentally and physically challenging, and you need to learn how to be a good leader as well as team player.
EMT, or emergency medical technicians, are healthcare professionals most commonly found working on an ambulance. EMTs can transport patients and give medication before those patients get to the hospital. Students will be introduced to cardiac skills, patient assessment, trauma skills, airway management, and breathing skills, along with other minor medical procedures. Teamwork is essential on every EMT call. Students need mental toughness, a vast understanding of the human body, creative thinking, and situational awareness.
We learn about how to communicate with the patients and how not, like what to say and like what not to say. And then we get to learn how to like be there for them when they're going through stuff too.
So we were dissected an eyeball today, which was pretty cool, and then we got to look at like through a microscope at like the cells of like the kidney and lungs and everything else.
I'd say my favorite part about EMT is being able to learn different skills for like the future, because I plan on doing firefighting straight out of high school.
The best thing is we get to go on ride-alongs and go on field trips to like life flight.
Whether on scene or in our learning lab, everyone is looking to you to solve the problem. Computing is part of everything we do. Students will be introduced to fundamental topics including design strategies and problem solving.
In the project, we get a choice of what we build, and it's great because it really allows us to pursue a specific interest.
In advanced computer science, we do a lot of like programming. We use a language called Java, but you might learn something else. You might learn a language called JavaScript. You might learn Python. You're also going to learn a lot of concepts like about the internet and a lot of computer science concepts, because computer science is a lot more than just programming and coding.
The potential to earn college credits toward a lucrative career in computer programming, web and software development, software engineering, or as a systems analyst is at your fingertips. Advanced engineering application students use industry-standard technologies and techniques to design, build, and test their own solutions to real-world problems, digital circuitry, and VEX robotics. Students will use an engineering design process for problem solving, building knowledge and skills sought after by college programs and employers.
Some of the projects that we've been able to do, we're going into electronics and how to work that with wiring, computers, and all that kind of stuff, as well as actually dive into the CNC machines.
You can improve your computer-aided design skills, learn about CNC manufacturing and automotive technology, and design digital circuits from scratch. Come explore engineering topics, including the mechanical, electrical, manufacturing, and robotics fields.
We take all the applications and engineering stuff that we've learned in engineering physics and we apply it to actual products that can be used in the real world.
I was very intimidated going into engineering, having no experience with robotics or anything related to that, but it's a lot easier than I thought and I'm enjoying it quite a bit.
This is your opportunity to learn employable skills and get you ahead of your peers in engineering programs at most colleges. Learn to make amazing projects using real-world engineering and manufacturing skills. Advanced Manufacturing is a hands-on, brains-on class in design and fabrication.
Advanced Manufacturing, the ultimate goal of that class is to ultimately prepare us for real-world manufacturing and get us used to that kind of environment. So inside the class there's 3 different groups. There's the machining group, welding, and 3D design. Where in each group you're given a list of assignments and then eventually you're given a capstone project to prove that you know all of the skills that were taught for those 3 courses.
Students learn to weld and fabricate, machine metal with lathes and mills, form sheet metal, 3D print, and more. Skills learned include print reading, CAD, precision measurement, machine maintenance and repair, and quality evaluation.
Currently I'm in the rapid prototype one, which is my favorite. I like 3D printing a lot because you can get something tangible out of a digital model.
Students complete 3 capstone projects to demonstrate their skills in each technology. You can earn industry certification in CAD and safety. Our graduates have the skills to start a trade career, an apprenticeship, or bring unique skills to their college education. Advanced Biomed is a lab-based course where students will learn about infectious diseases, cancer, public health, bioengineering, and organ transplantation. Are you interested in a career in healthcare or simply deepening your understanding of the human body, diseases, and health optimization? This class is highly interactive and students will engage in discussion, debate, and a year-long project based on personal interest.
Biomed is specifically focused about learning about the anatomy and the biology of the human body and applying it towards the medical field, whether that is learning about different professions or simply just how the body works.
The Advanced Biomed class really opened up the entire field of healthcare to me because it's both a frontline health class where we're looking at hospitals, we're looking at what doctors do, and we're looking at all of that, but it's also the science side, so we're looking at lab positions, and really it gave me a feel for both sides.
It gives you a step up if you plan to go into the healthcare field. It gives you sort of an idea of what you want to do, and it lets you explore those things early while you still can instead of going into a college that you have to pay for.
Get ready to build a prosthetic arm, run DNA gel electrophoresis, redesign an emergency department, and even dissect a fetal pig. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the Skills Center at Spokane Valley Tech. For more information about our programs and how to enroll, visit SpokaneValleyTech.org.